Did you know that doing the right thing at work once earned someone $96 million? This is the incredible story of Cheryl Eckerd. Cheryl worked as a quality control manager at a big drug company called GlaxoSmithKline. One day she discovered something terrifying. The factory where she worked was making dirty, contaminated medicines. Antidepressants and other drugs that millions of sick people depended on were being mixed together by accident. Water had damaged ingredients. The workers weren't following safety rules. Cheryl knew these bad medicines could hurt people or make their treatments fail completely. She had a choice: stay quiet and keep her job, or speak up and risk everything. She chose to do what was right. She reported the problems to her bosses. Instead of fixing things, they fired her and tried to make her look bad. But Cheryl didn't give up. She became a whistleblower and told the government everything. Her evidence led to the biggest pharmaceutical punishment in history. The company paid $750 million in fines and had to close the factory. Sometimes doing the right thing pays off in ways you never imagined.